In this video, we'll cover how to install and use your Chrome extension. The first step is to ensure that you've downloaded the Chrome extension zip file to your device. If you haven't done that yet, then please do so now. In order to do that, you need to right-click on the zip file and then from the menu, select Download and click. So once you've downloaded the Chrome extension zip file, navigate to the Downloads folder on your device, like I've done here, and then you will see the zip. It will look something like this. Right-click on the zip, and then in the menu, scroll down to where it says Extract All, click there, and then click this button. You don't need to change anything here. You don't need to hit Browse. All you need to do is click Extract. The next step is to open up your Chrome browser and then type in Chrome//extensions. So just like it shows here. Now your extension page will probably look very different to mine, and that would depend on the extensions you have installed, or if you don't have any installed, then you wouldn't see any extensions here. Now if you don't already have the Chrome browser on your device, then navigate to google.com/Chrome and then hit the Download Chrome button. So in your extensions window, what you next need to do is click the little button here in the top right hand corner that says Developer Mode. Click there and then click on Load Unpacked. Then click on Downloads again and look for the file that you've just extracted from the zip. Click there and then click Select Folder. And now you can see the extension is added to your Chrome extensions page. Once you've installed your Chrome extension, if you come up to the top and click on the little jigsaw piece where it says Extensions, click there and then navigate down to the Chrome extension and then click on the little pin. And this will pin the extension to your browser. So now you can see the extension is pinned up here. Now at this point your Chrome extension is installed and there is just one final step you need to complete before you can start using the extension. So if I click on the extension, you can see here that we need to add in our OpenAI API key. So let's do that now. Now in order to get your key, you will need an OpenAI account. If you don't have an account, you can open one here. So navigate to this URL or just Google OpenAI account. Set up your account if you don't already have one. If you do, then simply log in. Once inside your account, if you click on the little settings icon here, you'll see API keys on the left-hand side. Click there and then click Create New Secret Key. So you can see here that I've added in a name. This is optional, project, default project, permissions, I've left as all, and then create secret key. So I simply click this button here. Now it's important to point out that this key will only show once. Okay, so make sure that you copy this and add it straight into the extension, or at the very least, make a note of it. So copy and done. Now back to the extension page, I click on the extension icon, click the OpenAI key, and then paste the key in there, and then click Save. And now you can see when I click the icon, it's ready to use. So next I'll show you how the extension works and what it does. Okay, so if this is your first time setting up your OpenAI account, what you will also need are some credits. Now it's very, very cheap to use the browser extension. It costs next to nothing, but you will need some credits in there before it's going to work for you. So what you need to do is go back to your OpenAI account. If you don't see billing on the left-hand side, click on the little settings icon again, and that should show billing. Click on billing and then add, I would say, $5 to your account to activate the extension. Now, quick note about the cost of using the extension. It will cost you next to nothing. You have to have credits inside of OpenAI for the extension to work, but every time you create a review or an affiliate kit, it's going to cost you a fraction of a cent. So really don't worry about the cost of using it. Now let's cover how you actually use the extension. So you can see here, let's close this a moment. So you can see here that I've opened one of our sales pages, but all you really need to do is navigate to any page, any sales page that you want to create a review and affiliate promotion kit for. So open the page, and then once you're on the page that you want to create the content for, then you simply open up the extension by clicking on it. So click there, and you can see the extension opens. Now you have a couple of options here in terms of the output style. So what you can do here is you can choose from, and we've added an additional one in here. So professional reviewer tone, casual buyer tone, and we've also added in YouTube voiceover script. And this is kind of a review script for people that like making YouTube review videos. Okay, so entirely up to you which one you choose. I'm just going to go with professional reviewer tone, and then all I need to do is click scrape and generate. Now obviously it's AI creating this content for us, so we need to wait a little while for AI to put everything together. Usually this is done inside of a minute. You can see it's already started adding in the bits and pieces here. Still generating, so we'll wait for this to complete, and you can see now that it's ready. It should go green up here, so it'll say ready. Copy and save the generated markdown. Markdown means that you save it all with all the headlines, all the H1s, H2 tags, etc. So all we need to do now is copy markdown. I've opened up a new Google Doc. You might use Word. It doesn't make any difference. All you need to do then is paste from markdown. So you can see everything has its headlines. Everything is created and added here, and it's all ready to go. And that's it.